if you have not guessed yet, is because the curb slopes to the outside of the shower. So you ask any tile guy, which direction should all the tiles slope? If he doesn't tell you it all should slope to the drain, then I don't think he understands physics too well. Because let me ask you this: does water flow uphill? So anyway, this is one way to test your shower curb to see which way the water is going to drain once you get your shower door in. Because frameless shower doors, they don't have a curb or like a framed shower door, so there's no dam in front of the door. The shower doors rely on is gravity, and if you're fighting gravity and you're not sloping the curb the correct direction, then you're going to have issues with leaking. So anyway, once you find out your shower's leaking, run this test on it, and it should help you understand what's going on and who is responsible for fixing it. So anyway, I hope this video didn't find you because you have a problem with your shower leaking, but if it did, hopefully you know who to talk to now. So anyway, have a good day.